Hello everybody and welcome back to LMM, and if you're enjoying what you're seeing on the channel at the moment, how about giving this video a like and maybe subscribing to the channel to help us grow, and perhaps even check out our Patreon. This is a 00 gauge van, a common sight across the British railway network throughout the steam and diesel days, a utilitarian vehicle used for transporting goods, a very common freight vehicle. These came in a whole host of different colours, conditions and liveries, and survived surprisingly late in British railway traffic. Now, several other people have their own custom wagon that you can buy, and it's something that we've been talking about for quite some time. In fact, we first mooted the idea to you guys about 5 years ago, and then we've hinted it a few more times and we've talked about it, and nothing's really happened. Until now, proudly introducing the LMM wagon. Yes, it's actually happening. Finally, it's available on the website. Yes, we also have a website. That works as well. After a long time of that not being a proper thing, their website is fully operational and the shop is active. So, how's this all going to work? Well, this is going to be produced by Dapol, and we have the artwork pre-done, so you can see it's slightly different colours to the image that I knocked up. It's going to be a little bit darker, but that's how it's going to come out on one of their van models. We're offering up the LMM van to you guys for £21.99 of your pennies, and if you're lucky enough to live in the UK, that includes free postage. If you live overseas, then it's an additional £5 to get that sent to pretty much anywhere in the world. So wherever you are, you'll be able to get your hands on one of these wagons. The way this is going to work, for Dapol to produce our wagons, we need to order at least 100 of them. And so right now, the website is live with the wagon, and you can put your pre-order in, order the wagon, and as soon as we hit 100, a countdown will start. And 2 weeks after that, however many people have ordered it, that's the order that will go to Dapol, and that's how many will order for this exclusive run of that wagon. Now, if it all goes well, who knows, we might do more. If it's a terrible upset and it doesn't go well, we might never do it again. And if we don't hit that minimum 100 for the order, we just push the big button on the website and you will get your money back, and we just pretend this never happened. However, quite excited for it, quite excited to make an actual wagon, and so you can have an LMM wagon on your layout. And obviously I can't wait to be running on the modular with our nice graffiti train with a little LMM van behind it. So that's really exciting. Let me know in the comments below, are you excited for this? Are you going to buy yourself one? And head over to the website, check out the website, because there's stuff about the vehicles, about the team, the shop with more stuff coming soon, and yeah, other bits on the website. Oh, and a bloggy thing where you can keep up to date with things that we're doing and events. So check out the website, go over, help out the channel, buy one of those fans, because that's awesome. They are about the best price that I can do, so please buy one, help support the channel, and have a little bit of LMM in your life. And with that, that's it. I can't wait to get my hands on my one, because obviously I'm going to order a couple of these because that's exciting. Help out the channel and be part of, well, the first proper product that we've done. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully you're excited by this. Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time for a proper video. But hopefully, guys, hopefully I'm going to be sending off a load of wagons to you. I'm excited. And again, thank you all for being part of the community. Like, this wouldn't have happened unless you guys were asking for it and wanted to support LMM, which is proper awesome, to be honest. So thank you guys, you're awesome, hope you enjoy it, and let me know below future ideas as well in the comments, what you'd like to see for another wagon if we do another one, which one you'd like to see in colours and all those little things. Maybe it will happen, who knows. Anyway, if you have enjoyed this, how about clicking over there for some model railway stuff, over there for some other stuff, and I'm just going to play with the wagon because exciting times.